Hi, this is Triona Basin here. It's a cooking show, and she's going to show us how to make a smoothie. Take it away, Triona.
Okay, if you have yogurt, you can go ahead put it in the blender, like this much.
Ooh, lots.
Like that.
Mm-hmm.
And then after that, you have to put bananas in.
Frozen bananas.
Yes. And then after that, frozen blueberries.
This is sounding good.
I know.
So you're really good at eyeballing your ingredients, aren't you?
That's why I am serious about this.
You are. And what's this you got here?
Frozen strawberries.
Mmm.
You have to put a few of strawberries in. And then after that, you put cranberry pomegranate juice.
Mmm.
And put in, like so.
Like so.
And then after that, you have to blend it all in.
You have to do what?
Blend it.
Oh, blend it, right, of course.
Bring this over. And then blend it. All good. Oh yeah. And then I'm gonna put it in the cup. And there you have it. Enjoy.
All right, take a taste.
Okay. Oh yeah.